Leigh-Ann here again from the BodyWell Kitchen, and today I'm bringing you a guilt-free breakfast. So, if you've got somebody that you're thinking about making breakfast in bed for this Valentine's Day, then I've got just the thing for you. Pancakes! So, what you need: eggs, almond milk, baking powder, and some whey protein. So I'm going to start by just popping this pan onto a medium heat and putting in a little bit of coconut oil. I'm going to crack 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of almond milk. We also need to add in some protein powder. I like to use this one in the mornings. The whey protein is from grass-fed cows, and so it contains plenty of multivitamins and minerals. You're going to add 2 scoops of this one. When they're bubbling, flip them over. And there you go, light and delicate pancakes, ready to serve with fruit and berries of your choice.